Hello, how's everyone doing? This is Stephen with the Fenix store. Today we're going to do a little unboxing of one of our newest. This is the Fenix LD45R. Let's jump into it and see what this is all about. Okay, so like I said, this is one of our newer releases, the LD45R. This is actually, it won the Red Dot winner of 2024, which just means this is a awesome flashlight. When you open your box, you will see this is your warranty card. Here's a pamphlet with some of our other models in it if you want to breeze through that real quick, as well as your instruction manual for the flashlight. When you take your light out of the box, you will see this little tag on here. What this tag is telling you to do is unscrew your tail cap, because on there is a little battery protector for when they ship it. The light doesn't turn itself on and cause a fire or burn the light up or anything like that. So you want to unscrew your tail cap and remove this little plastic sleeve and just discard it. You don't need it anymore. There is no other purpose to it. You want to screw your tail cap back on, make sure that it is tight, and then this little tag, you can tear it off if you want. Again, this doesn't do anything other than just tell you to take that little plastic piece out from the battery. So you can remove that. What else it comes with? Here is a really nice holster. It'll come with your charging cable to charge your light. It is USB-C rechargeable. And it will come with a little lanyard. What else is in there? As well as a couple of O-rings to replace the O-rings underneath the tail cap. So that is what will come inside of your box when you unbox your new LD45R. So, I would suggest, if you're not too familiar with how the basic operations of flashlights are, if you want to familiarize yourself with your instruction manual, just to kind of get the lingo down, you know, the side switch or a single switch, or, you know, just the kind of the basics, I would suggest going through your manual. It'll tell you everything you need to know about your flashlight. So, some of the specs on this, this one actually has a digital zoom. So it's controlled right here by this mechanical rotary dial. All you do is turn this dial, and that allows for stepless adjustment between a spot and a flood. So spot, of course, is like a real focused, and flood, when you turn it the other way, is more of an area spread out. So that is really, really cool. It has an OLED display. When you turn it on, it will show the current brightness level, your lumen output, as well as battery life. So you turn it on, hold the button down. There is your OLED display. It is awesome. It is really cool. And all you do to go from, like I said, spot to flood, simply turn this rotary dial right here, and it'll make it open and close. Really, really cool. And when you want to change your lumen outputs to make it go higher, simply press the middle button here, and that'll give you more of an output to go to either your highest or your lowest. And then to turn it off, just simply press the button down and hold it for, I think, about 1.5 seconds, and that's it. It'll turn itself off. It will also display your lumen step down in real time on turbo mode. So your turbo mode is 2800 lumens. While it steps itself down, it'll actually show you what it's stepping down to. So that's really cool. The material and finish on it is made from a 6061 T6 aluminum with a Type 3 hard anodized finish for scratch and abrasion resistance. So it's really scratch resistant. They're pretty durable. They take quite a beating. The battery for this, it uses a 5,000 milliamp hour, 3.6 volt, 21700, and it is a rechargeable lithium-ion battery. You can recharge it either while you take it out of flashlight like I just did, or there is the USB-C port right here. And you simply pull this little cover up, and there is your USB-C port to charge your light. It has a waterproof rating of IP68, meaning it's completely dustproof and submersible up to 6 feet. I don't suggest dunking it in there for 6 feet and leaving it and go, well, it says it's waterproof. It is, but it's not so much just to dunk it and leave it. So it has an impact resistance of 1.5 meters, and it can also tail stand. What that means is when you put it on end and you let it go, it tail stands. So if your lights go out or you need to illuminate something and you want it in the room, it can tail stand. So that's a really good, cool feature that they did on this. A lot of them don't have it, but this one does. It is off of a single side switch, and that controls 5 brightness levels, which are eco, low, medium, high, and turbo. And 2 special modes as well, which are your strobe and SOS. It has a memory function, so it'll remember the last used brightness level that you left it on. So say you leave it on the high mode and you turn it off. When you turn it back on, it will be on your high mode. It also has a lockout function to prevent accidental activation. So if you press your button twice rapidly, you'll see this little lock symbol. And if you try to use it, it'll simply flash like that twice and you won't be able to use it. And to unlock it, again, the middle button, press it twice rapidly, and you'll see a little unlock symbol, and you're good to go. So some of the specifications for this, the LED is a single luminous SF70 LED with a color temperature of about, I'd say 6,500 Kelvin, which is a nice bright, nice like daylight. Really, really good temperature on this. And the lifespan of the LED is about 50,000 hours. So unlike your old incandescent, these LEDs last for almost forever. The maximum output on it is 2,800 lumens. Your maximum throw distance will be 450 meters. Your intensity for Candela will be 57,600. And the maximum runtime for your eco mode is 65 hours. So that's really good. It will last a long time if you need it to. If unfortunately your power runs out or you're in an emergency situation, pardon me, it will last for quite a while. Dimensions for the LD45R. It is 6.11 inches in length. Your head diameter is 1.75 inches. And the body diameter is 1.26 inches. So that is going to conclude it. That's our unboxing. That shows everything that comes with it. Kind of a rundown of what to expect from the LD45R. This is one that I was super excited and couldn't wait for it to come out. As soon as it came out, I had to snag one up for myself. I carry these everywhere. I love it. I actually got two. I left one in my truck, and I keep one at home in a little holster here just for whatever, walking the dog. Like I said, power goes out, whatever the case may be. So I highly recommend picking up a Fenix LD45R for yourself. That is going to conclude the unboxing of it. If you can do me a favor, hit that like button. Leave me a comment. Let me know what features you like about this new flashlight. Something that you might not have covered, or anything that I've left out. Leave me a comment. Let me know down below. I will leave a link for our website to purchase this. And if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button for us. It helps out our channel, and we really do appreciate it. It doesn't cost you a thing. And until next time, guys, thanks for sticking around. Again, this is Steven with the Fenix Store. Take care. Stay safe. Bye-bye.